What's going on, repair gang? I'm going to do something I normally don't do. I'm going to admit I was wrong on something. A while ago, I think it was probably about 4 or 5 months ago, I bought something. I reviewed something, and I told you guys it was good. But then I found something 390 times better. And I'm going to show you guys that today. So let's get right into this video. And you guys are going to like this. And I'll have a link in the description if you guys want to check it out, because it is a game changer. Especially if you're a content creator for small engine repair. Even if you're not, you can use it. And I'll walk through some stuff. I'll just walk through some stuff. And you guys are going to love this. So a while ago, I bought this scope. I bought this little scope. And I told you guys this was good. Comes in this case. You know, you got your nice scope here, and it's pretty long. It's about 3 feet. But let me tell you, this thing I don't recommend anymore. Junk. First of all, it's big and bulky. The resolution isn't that good. We'll turn it on and give you guys a refresh on it. The camera is real thick, and it just takes a while to set up. You gotta plug it in. After you pull it out, screw it back in. And let's see, especially because, you know, look, it's even dead. The batteries are even dead. I have used it like once. Piece of shit. So, in all, I don't recommend this anymore. I paid 70 bucks for this scope, and with what I'm going to show you, it's night and day difference. I'm actually going to put some batteries in this real quick just so I can show you guys what the screen looked like. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, take a look. Like, I mean, that's all you see. That's all you see. You don't see a lot. It's kind of blurry. You got to look at this little tiny screen here. You got to click a bunch of buttons to get everything. Got to rotate it. I just don't see the need for this anymore. Let me show you guys a better solution. And here it is, ladies and gentlemen. This Amazon EndoScope. It works with USB-C, USB regular, micro, and even on your computer. I'm not gonna lie. At first I was skeptical. This thing came with some tools, which I lost. I lost the tools. But I mean, I've already put it in. You can see that dent right there. I've already put it in a piston and kind of jammed it on accident. But I got it out. And this thing still runs great. And right here is just simple controls for the brightness of the light, which I'll show you guys all that now. But I was surprised, you know, I was skeptical at first because it came with some weird disc for your computer, which I didn't even look at. And it doesn't really give you instructions. You just got to download some random app. I'll show you the app, which I use. But just plugging it in, instantly turns on the light. And you can see it gets way bright. And look how small that is, too. Look how small that is. So I'm going to show you my favorite thing about this. My favorite thing. First of all, right here. Here's the app. Forgive all my other BS apps. Right there. USB EndoScope. All you gotta do is type that in. You should be able to find it. Pretty self-explanatory. You pop it up. It automatically starts up the app. You know, I might be able to actually screen record all this, but I'm just trying to show you guys. This thing's amazing, and I'm gonna show you my favorite feature about it. So as you guys see, you guys can see me clearly on there. Hey, how you doing? What's up? You know, it's me. And then you just click start and it starts recording. Now let me show you guys in a different perspective why I like this app and this EndoScope. Okay guys, so I'm going to tell you why I really like this scope here. Not only are you guys listening to me, this thing is recording audio, but you guys are able to see into things really easy, and it's just a game changer. It fits in there. You have better control. Like, let's look inside my nasty USB. You have better control with it because you can grab it in your hands, but it's recording sound. So you can record something to show a customer, to email a customer saying, hey, look right here. See this spot right here in your piston? This is scored. I mean, you can't. That's pretty cool, isn't it? I have to say. I like that. I like the fact that you can do that. Let me show you guys a little thing coming up in another video, and then we'll get back to the conclusion. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so if everything's going right, you should be seeing some camera footage on the screen here. We're going to look down this fuel line here. Look at that. I'll have a link to the scope in the... I mean, it's only like 20 bucks too. I think cheaper than that. So, we're looking at the piston here. As you guys see, it looks pretty good. Nothing really wrong. We're going to go ahead and move it up. Look down in it. I might be able to actually curve the camera in there. I'm going to keep it $1.50 with you. Why go to Harbor Freight, to Snap-on, to Home Depot and spend $60, $70, up to $200 on a big old bulky hand endoscope when you can go to Amazon or the link in the description and pick up one of these for 20 bucks. And I like it too because you got control, so you don't have this big old gun. You can put it in there like this, and you know, you got perfect control with it. That's what I'm saying, you know. It's like, wow, look at that, you know. And then all you gotta do is, while you're doing it, you're controlling the light right here with the little lever. So you're holding it, and it's night and day difference. You could even bend it like this and get it up under there and take a look. You know what you need to look at. And 16 feet of cord, I don't think you'll ever need that, but it's an option. And there's no setting up. You don't have to unscrew stuff or screw it back in like the other one. Plug and play, baby. I unboxed it. I downloaded in a random app. It says just download a random app. There's hundreds of them. I downloaded a random app, and it worked instantly. Plus, it records sound. So that's going to change things, especially for diagnostics purposes. So when you look back, you could send that to a customer and say, okay, you see right here down in this part or down in this part, or look into oil to see if there's anything broken inside. You know what? I'm going to do that on one of the machines if I find one. I'm going to see if I can look into the oil thing and see if I can see a broken part without actually having to dismantle the whole engine, because that would be 100% a game changer. You know, that's a good idea. Let's see if we can, but I gotta find a broken machine first. Ugh. I guess we'll figure it out, right? Well, ladies and gentlemen, if you guys want to know about more small engine tech, I can buy a bunch of random Amazon stuff. That's what this was. I just wanted to buy, hey, let's see if this is worth a damn. 20 bucks, can't be worth much, right? Changed my life and my idea. There's so many random niche tools that we could get on Amazon, and they're really cheap. I mean, they're all made from China, but that's not a big deal. If it helps you work, get it. And I recommend this. So if you guys want to see more, I need to see that like button smash so I know you guys like this. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Andrew, and you're watching Repair Gang, and I appreciate you guys for being here. Until the next one, I'll see you later.